everybody, Troy, Champion Plumbing here with Cole. Today we're going to talk about a recirc pump. They've come a long way. You used to have a line running all the way from your water heater through your entire house. You don't have to do that anymore. And they can save you a ton of water, which is important.
So this is a water recirculating pump from one of our suppliers. They do make different brands out there. Basically, a lot of people have hot water at their home and they're running their master bathroom faucet or shower and they're not getting hot enough water. So what do? You turn the water on, you let it run. Where's all that water go? Down the drain. And you're paying for all that and you're wasting water. One option we can do, if you have a tank type heater at your home, we have this pump right here and we have these supply lines with a bypass. Basically what happens is this pump goes on top of your water heater on the hot side. This bypass gets hooked to your furthest bathroom faucet, usually in the masters where people are having a hard time getting hot water effectively there. You'll hook these into your shutoffs, hot and cold, back to your faucet, and that pump's going to pump that hot water continuously all day if you want. Or this model does have a timer on it where you can set the timer for in the morning when you're in the bathroom and at night, and then it won't run all day.
So you could set it, say, 6:30 to 8:30 in the morning and 4:30 to 5:30 at night.
Yes.
That's pretty awesome. Where's that go? You said on top of the water here. Do you want to show them?
Yes, we will show you where that goes. Tank type water heater. This is a power vent. You can have a gravity vent. You can have electric. It doesn't really matter. Hot side, cold's coming into the tank. Hot's coming out right here. This mounts right on top of the water heater, and we make the connection back to the hot line. And the main thing is you need an outlet. I think they come with about an 8-foot cord on there. Plug that in, and then we'll go take that bypass that we talked about, hook it up underneath that lavatory faucet. It can be your kitchen too, whatever's the furthest, whatever you want water quicker to. Then you go ahead and you can turn your timer on, or you can have it just on all the time. Or if the timer's on, you can pull these notches out and you can set your time on it. And that's all there is to these.
So it's going to save time, it's going to save water, which is money. And time is money as well, right? So it's going to save you.
Correct.
And get you the hot water you want right away.
And you'll get ready in the morning quicker too because you'll have hot water right away.
Now this is for the tank style heater, but we have something very similar for our heater of choice.
So Navien tankless is what we install. These do have their own buffer tank built into them. So if you wanted quicker water where you're having that spell like that pump we talked about, with the buffer tank there's a switch we can turn an internal pump on that recirculates. We don't have to have our own individual recirculation line. We can go ahead and hit that switch, and it has the same setup underneath the faucet where you hook the bypass into the hot and cold, and it will allow the same effect. This pump will come on. On the tankless it gets to a certain temperature. We have it set at 120. When it gets below that, the pump's going to kick on automatically and run its cycle, and then it's going to shut off. So it doesn't continuously run. It's just when the temperature changes on it.
Again, keeping hot water right at the faucet all the time for you.
Yes, absolutely.
Where do they go to learn more?
Well, if you want to learn more, go to www.championplumbing.net. You can look us up on YouTube, and that's about it.
Click that subscribe button.
Yes.
And remember,
Click
cheap
it.
labor.
Oh, I don't know.
How does that go? Skilled labor isn't cheap, and cheap labor isn't skilled.
Yep, what he said.